Dahil last flight ko na, meron kayong souvenir. So, hindi to para meron kayong ref magnet. Maalala nyo ang Dubai flight natin.
Ref magnet, bro.
Yeah. What did I say?
Thank you, sir.
Kami din may
Thank you.
Ay, ano yan? Kami din.
Thank you, Mare.
PR 658-659.
Uy, kailan mo ito binili? Oh, thank you,
Best of
Mare.
luck. Taray.
Salamat. Kaya ko ya.
Naiyak na ako kanina sa kwarto, sa room.
Thank you. Meron na kay lahat nito?
Exchange gift pala.
Exchange gift pala, Thank you, everyone. Yan.
Iyak. Iyak. Ano message mo?
Wala. Thank you, Philippine Airlines for all the travels. And marami ako natutunan sa industry na to. And to everyone, salamat. Mahalin niyo yung work niyo. And masarap dito. Good luck.
Good luck.
Thank you for sir.
Good luck, man. Taray, ba?
Gusto mo yun? Taray mo, mag-video ka pa. Dear Ralph Vincent, he's on. Last time ko na to. Welcome to Holiday Inn Dubai Festival City. So, hi guys. So, ito na. Welcome aboard to my last flight. And I'm finally clipping my wings as soon as I land in Manila. Bye, pal. Thank you for all the beautiful memories I had with you. And this journey has always been the best journey of my life. I will forever treasure the memories I have with you and all the travels.
Thank you, everybody. Job well done. Thank you, Vince, for your service.
Thank you. So yun. Thank you, Philippine Airlines. I will forever treasure our memories together. And I'll always have you in my heart.